Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram have added one new feature that is dual. So now you can record both, from the front camera and a back camera together. So at a time while you are shooting your reels video or stories, then you can use both of your back and front camera. So how to use this feature I will show you in my mobile screen. For this you need to open your Instagram account and go to story or reel section. For example, I am going to a reel section here and you need to click on dual, and here you can see the dual, it's open. So if you want to expand the size of this camera, you can zoom it. However you want to keep it, you can keep this one and you can start recording the video. So you can place anywhere you want it, and you can, with the help of two finger, you can zoom in and zoom out. Whatever you want you can do and place wherever you want, and you can record a dual camera. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.